Okay guys, the airbag is out. We're going to test it and Daniel is going first. Nice. Okay, the first test jumps are done. Now put the airbag here and put this one a little bit higher, so we have some more air time. Let's go. Flip jack. Is it good? Yes. Okay, we are not touching the ground from this height, so that's perfect. Now we're going to do some flips from this height, so to check if we can safely land on our feet. Now it's time to jump. So much fun, so much fun. And the airbag is just perfect. This is like quite odd. That was quite high, and you're just landing on your back, and it doesn't hurt. You're not touching the ground. Very good. Okay guys, we're at the first spot of today's session. Go. Yes! And he got it first try. Let's go. Stick. That's not good. Yeah. Ew. Oh, veel te veel. Veel te veel. Jammer. Kom op. Nee. Ja. Oh ja, kijk, dat.
A few moments later.
Yay! Ja. Okay guys, I will stop the vlog here. Short but sweet. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, drop a comment, tell us where to go next. Maybe we are coming to train with you. Keep jumping, have fun. Peace out.